All right, so satin doll. Now we've come up with some really cool ideas to improvise a solo, but we just discovered that the melody of this song, la la la, la 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 la, we discovered that's only two notes that are going back and forth, they're toggling back and forth in a particular unique rhythmic pattern. We found where they are on the ukulele. We made our G chord. The notes are a B and a G, which are baked right into that G chord. The strings are the A string and the E string. We're just going back and forth between these two strings. It's a miracle. So I'm doing my block chord. Now I'm going a little off the melody there, but who cares? I'm fudging the melody when I made that C7. You see how close it is that you can actually turn this improvised solo into a chord melody. Let's try it. 2, 3, 4. A minor, fudge a little bit, again, C7, I'm on the A string, G, D7, there's so much to work with. Most of that action was just on the A string and the E string, but if you're playing any of the notes that are in that chord that you're playing at that moment, they're all good. They're not going to be dissonant. They're all going to be good and potential material for a solo. I don't know about you, but I'm very excited.